Hello guys, what's up today? I'm Sandeep. We did exercise. So today I'll tell you how to make a rocket in Trust. This works in Craftsman, both Docker Craft and anything. Yeah. So first up, you can take a deep block if red concrete or it is necessary. But the most important thing you need is the observers. The observers basically make it fly so oh, so first up you have to get slime other pistons, put them like this, double block in this way. Now put the observer like this and then the piston and they put the slime here and then
Play hide and seek.
the zerts can come every time. So let's just continue to build. Just forget about the guide. So first up, put the observer like this. Now you have to put the stick piston like this. Then do this on other sides as well. And yeah, it's really easy to build because it takes, you know, I just got it from like Noise Gaming, so it's easy to win. And then for the last step, put red concrete or anything